Hallo julle, dis alweer Armand en welkom by tweede video. Ons is nou by die Blou Hond Theater. Soos julle kan sien, daar is Blackbird en ek maak vanaand vir Blackbird oop. So ek gaan julle 'n bietjie saam met my vat op die journey, soundcheck en hoe dit alles werk backstage voor 'n show begin. So kom in en kom ek wys julle die venue en ja, dis hier plek. So ek maak dis wat ek doen op 'n Vrydag of 'n Saterdag aand of middag. En hierdie is die beautiful theater. Dit is 'n bietjie donker so wat julle kan sien. Hoe mooi is hierdie plek nie? Kyk. Yes, beautiful. Dis ons die stage en alles. So ons gaan nou soundcheck. Dis ons die klankmanne. Waar is hierdie een aan? En ja. One, two. 1, 2, 1, 2, ja, that's fine. 1, 2. Never mind the cars who live in sorrow. I never mind the cars who live in pain. I only want one time to see you laughing. Okay, cool. And this is how backstage looks. How's that? So this is how it looks backstage. This is where we get ready and we do vocal warm-ups and waar ons aantrek, klaarmaak en wag vir showtime. Dit is beautiful. So ek gaan so 'n bietjie opwarm en dan stay tuned. I am so honored to be here tonight. Thank you, Blue Hond, for having me as the pre-show for Blackbird. I'm so excited to share a few songs with you guys. And this first song changed my life a few months ago, and it made Team Corin. I watched Team Corin. Corin joined this year, and she turned for me first. And this song made all the coaches turn for me. It really changed my life. I recently just signed with Universal Music as well, so thank you. So I will be releasing some original music later this year, but let's get the party going. Are you guys ready? All I wanna do is to fall in deep. Oh, baby, love what you started. The temperature's rising and yes, things gonna happen. Been waiting and waiting for you to make a move. Before I make a move. So baby, calm down the vision and won't touch my body. I'm so in love with you. Oh, I'm so into you. The little is wrong. It's been a long time coming. That you've been keeping me drowning. I said, you make me sick. I wanna run. Stay far away. I don't want you here in my head. Small talking down here, small things, small mind, expecting to what? You little finger, little bug, you make way, or we'll step on you. Come on! Oh, in the purple rain, honey, I know I love times.
the blue, that means you're true. Yeah.
Pas by die huis gekom en ek is nou hier so in my studio by die huis. En ek wil net baie dankie sê vir Blackbird, baie dankie aan die Blou Hond, baie dankie aan die mense wat kom kyk het. Thanks for an amazing show. Dankie aan al die viewers, die kykers. Dankie dat ek dit met julle kan deel op Wat Maak Jy? En ja, wys vir ons wat maak jy? Ek sê dit elke keer, maar ek wil regtig weet wat maak jy? So yeah. Thank you.